Ramanujan Maths Academy.
Welcome to Ramanujan Maths Academy. Today we are going to study practice set 2.2. But before that, if you have not seen previous video on factorization, please go through it so you can easily understand this practice set 2.2. Okay, let's start. Question is, solve the following quadratic equations by factorization. So first question is, x square minus 15x plus 54 equal to 0. In solution, we write given quadratic equation as it is: x square minus 15x plus 54 is equal to 0. Now you know that we want two numbers such that their product is 54 and two numbers such that their addition is minus 15. Okay, now first we divide 54. We want factors, so start dividing by 2, 27, then by 3, 3 nines are 27, again by 3, again remainder is 3, and again by 3, 3 ones are 3. Okay, so how many possibilities are there? First is 2 into, here multiplication of left side, 3 into 3 into 3, that is 27. This is first possibility. Second is 2 3s are 6 and 6 into 9 is second possibility, and third one is, what is there, 18 into 3. Okay, these 2 3s are 6, 6 3s are 18, and 18 into 3. So there are three possibilities. Okay, so let's check one by one. Now 2 into 27, 2 into 27 is 54, but if you take here 2 and here 27, okay, this does not satisfy our second condition, so we cannot take 2 into 2 and 27, so this option is gone. Then let's try for second option, that is 6 and 9. So 9 into 6 is 54. Okay, next if I take here 9 plus 6, yes, 9 plus 6 is 15, but we want minus 15. So can I take here minus 9 and minus 6? Yes. If I am taking minus 9 plus minus 6, I get minus 9 plus minus 6, which is equal to minus 15. So this pair 6 into 9 is suitable for this condition. So we got our factors, that is first is minus 9 and second is minus 6. Okay. So in solution, x square minus 9x minus 6x plus 54 is equal to 0. We just split the middle term. Okay, the meaning is same. Next we take out common terms. Now x outside, x minus 9 minus 6 into x minus 9, sorry, x minus 6 nines are 54 is equal to 0. Now x minus 6 in one bracket and x minus 9 in another bracket. Now by using the property, if the product of two numbers is 0, then at least one of them is 0, and hence we get x minus 6 is equal to 0 or x minus 9 is equal to 0. Therefore x is equal to 6 or x is equal to 9, and hence x is equal to 6 and x is equal to 9 are the solution of this quadratic equation, that is x square minus 15x plus 54 equal to 0. Now second question is x square plus x minus 20 equal to 0. So first of all we will write x square plus x minus 20 is equal to 0 as it is. Now splitting the middle term, so we want two numbers such that their product is minus 20 and their addition is plus 1. Okay, plus 1, their addition is plus 1. So for that we divide 20, starting by 2, 10, then here it is 10, then again by 2, 2 5s are 10, and lastly by 5, 5 1s are 5, done. Now here let's see how many possibilities we get. First one is 2 into 10, second one is 2 2s are 4 and 4 into 5, 4 into 5. Okay, these two possibilities are here, that first is 2 into 10 and second is 4 into 5. So let's try first one. If I take 2 and here 10, then 2 into 10 is 20, but we want minus 20. So if I am taking here minus, so 2 into minus 10, so first condition is satisfied. But what about second? If I take 2 here and here 10 or minus 10, so it will be 2 minus 10, that is minus 8. So second condition is not satisfying, so we cannot take this pair. So this is gone. Then second, 4 and 5. So let's try. First, 5 into 4 is 20, but we want minus 20, so we take 5 into minus 4, and 5 plus minus 4, that is 5 plus minus 4 is equal to 5 minus 4 plus minus minus, and 5 minus 4 is equal to 1, that is plus 1. Hence we got our two factors, that is first one is plus 5 and second one is minus 4. So I will write over here minus 20 is equal to 5 and minus 4. Okay, now starting our actual answer. Okay, so x square, first factor is plus 5x minus 4x minus 20 is equal to 0. Now taking common terms outside, x into x plus 5 minus 4 into x plus 5 is equal to 0. Now taking x minus 4 in one bracket and x plus 5 in another, which is equal to 0. Again by property that if the product of two numbers is 0, then at least one of them is 0. So we get x minus 4 equal to 0, or x plus 5 is equal to 0. That means x is equal to 4 or x is equal to minus 5. Hence x is equal to 4 and x is equal to minus 5 are the solution of this given quadratic equation. Now third question, 5m square is equal to 22m plus 15. So first writing it as it is, 5m square is equal to 22m plus 15. Now you can see that this is not given in the standard form, so first we make it in the standard form. So here 5m square, what is our standard form? Here I will write ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Okay, don't forget this. Then 5m square, now shifting this term to the left side of the equation, we get minus 22m minus 15 is equal to 0. Now we find the factors, but of what? 5 into minus 15, which is equal to minus 75. So we have to find the factors of minus 75. Okay, here. So we find two factors such that their multiplication is minus 75 and their addition is what? Minus 22. So first of all we divide 75, start by 5. Okay, here is 5 ones are 5, 5 5s are, okay, then again by 5, 5 3s are 15, now by 3, 3 ones are 3. Okay, so how many possibilities are there? 5 into 15 first, and second is 25 into 3. So clearly you can see here, if you choose second possibility, that is 25 into 3, that time you will get addition as minus 22. So taking directly here minus 25 plus into plus 3, it is minus 75, and here again minus 25 plus 3, which is equal to minus 22. 2. Now minus 25 plus 3 is minus 22. Okay, now solving our actual equation here. 5m square, first factor is minus 25m and second is plus 3m minus 15 is equal to 0. Now taking common terms out. Okay, now this is third example going on. Now you now you can see here that in each example of factorization only second step is important of splitting the middle term. Other things are very easy, only you have to careful while finding the factors of the numbers. Okay, then taking common terms out, taking 5 outside, 5m, so m minus 25. Okay, m minus 25, then plus 3 into m minus 5. Okay, here sorry, m minus 5 will be there, m minus 5 plus 3 into m minus 5, which is equal to 0. Now writing 5m plus 3 in one bracket and m minus 5 in another bracket, which is equal to 0. Again by our property, at least one of them is 0, so we get 5m plus 3 equal to 0, or m minus 5 is equal to 0, and hence 5m is equal to minus 3, or m is equal to plus 5. Hence m is equal to minus 3 upon 5, or m is equal to plus 5. Hence we got our solution that m is equal to minus 3 upon 5 or m is equal to plus 5 are the solution of the given quadratic equation. Question number 4 is 2x square minus 2x plus 1 upon 2 equal to 0. First writing it, 2x square minus 2x plus 1 upon 2 is equal to 0. Now to vanish this third term, third term is this denominator 2, we multiply this given equation throughout by 2. So multiplying the given equation by 2, we get 2 to the 4x square minus 4x plus 1 is equal to 2 into 0 is 0. So now our equation is 4x square minus 4x plus 1. Now we have to find the factors for 4 such that two numbers again such that their product is 4 and their addition is minus 4. So what are they? So let's take 2 into 2 4, and if I take here 2 plus 2, but it is 2 plus 2 is plus 4, but we want minus 4, so can I take minus over here, minus 2 plus minus 2? Let's see what happens. Minus 2 plus minus 2, it is minus 2 plus minus minus 2 becomes minus 4. So hence we can take the two numbers as minus 2 and minus 2. So these are two our factors, minus 2 and minus 2. Okay, now writing the given equation, 4x square minus 2x minus of 2x plus 1 is equal to 0, and hence taking 2x common from this term, 2x into x minus 2x into 2x minus 1, and then taking minus 1 from this term, so we can get minus 1 into 2x minus 1, which is equal to 0. Now 2x minus 1, and again we are getting 2x minus 1, which is equal to 0. Again by our property, one of them is 0, and hence we get 2x minus 1 equal to 0, or 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore 2x equal to plus 1 or 2x is equal to plus 1, and hence the solution is x is equal to 1 upon 2 or x is equal to 1 upon 2. Hence our solution is 1 upon 2. Now question number 5, 3x square minus 2 root 6x plus 2 equal to 0. So first we write the given equation as it is, that is 3x square minus 2 root 6 plus 2 is equal to 0. Okay. Now we have to find the factors for here. A is 3 and C is 2. So 3 2s are 6. Okay. Now we want two factors such that their product is 6. But here we want two factors such that their addition is minus 2 root 6. Addition is minus 2 root 6. Okay. So one thing I will tell you here, that product of root 3 and root 3 is 3. Okay. So root 3 into root 3, it becomes root 9 and again 3. Okay. Now here if I take root 6 into root 6, so what I will get, root 6 into root 6, I will get as 36. Okay. But what happen if I take here root 6 and minus root 6, it will be 0. So if I am taking minus root 6 plus minus root 6, then yes, then it will be okay. But also I have to take here minus root 6 and minus root 6, then it will become 36. And again then next is minus root 6 plus of minus root 6, it will be minus 2 root of 6. So our factors are 6, the factors of 6 are minus root 6 and minus root 6. Okay. So starting 3x square minus of root 6x minus root 6x plus 2 equal to 0. Then taking common terms, taking root 3x outside. Okay. Now here is 3x square written. Okay, means what, root 3x and root 3x. Okay, then root 3x taking outside, and what will be inside, root 3x minus root 2. Okay, then minus, now taking root 2 outside from this term, here again I am showing it here that root 2 into root 2 is 2. Okay, then root 2 into root 2 is root 4 and it becomes 2. So next taking root 2 outside, so we get root 3x minus root 2 equal to 0. Okay, equal to 0. Next is root 3x, this first term, and minus root 2, and in second term root 3x minus root 2. Okay, same terms are there, is equal to 0. Again by our property we get root 3x minus root 2 is equal to 0, or same term is there, root 3x minus root 2 is equal to 0. Therefore root 3x is equal to root 2, or root 3x is equal to root 2, and hence value of x is equal to root 2 upon root 3, or value of x is equal to root 2 upon root 3. So hope you have understood this question. Still if you have any doubt, you can ask in comment section. Now sixth one, 25m square is equal to 9. So first writing it as it is, 25m square is equal to 9. Now writing it in standard form, that is 25m square minus 9 is equal to 0. Here which term is missing? Yes, here B is missing. Okay, what is our standard form? Ax square plus bx plus c. So in this equation bx or term b is missing, but it is but it will be easier for us. Let's see how. Can I write 5m whole square here and minus 3 whole square, which is equal to 0? Okay, without changing the meaning, we can write 5m square minus 3 square is equal to 0. Yes, so here you know the formula of a square minus b square. So what is that? A plus b, and in another bracket a minus b, just it. Now by using property that if the product of two numbers is 0, then at least one of them is 0, we get 5m plus 3 is equal to 0, or 5m minus 3 is equal to 0. See, I am writing this from this formula that a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. Now finding the value of m. So 5m is equal to minus 3, or 5m is equal to plus 3, and hence m is equal to minus 3 upon 5, or m is equal to 3 upon 5. So the roots of the given quadratic equations are minus 3 upon 5 and 3 upon 5. Okay. Now question number 7. So it is similar to question number 6. M square minus 11 equal to 0. Very easy question it is. Therefore we write m square minus 11 is equal to 0 as it is. Then again by using formula that a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. So again we are using it. So here I can write m square minus square root of 11 square is equal to 0. Now why I have taken square root of 11 here? Because I am taking square. Okay, so we don't have to change the meaning while solving these quadratic equations. Okay, is equal to 0. Next is according to the formula m plus root 11 into m minus root 11 is equal to 0, and hence by using property I can write m plus root 11 is equal to 0, or m minus root 11 is equal to 0, and hence m is equal to minus root 11, or m is equal to plus root 11. Hence the roots of the given quadratic equations are minus root 11 and plus root 11. Now last question. Question is root 2x square plus 7x plus 5 root 2 equal to 0. To solve this quadratic equation by factorization, complete the following activity. We have given one activity. We just have to fill the empty spaces. Okay. So starting with root 2x square plus 7x plus 5 root 2 equal to 0. Now middle term is 7x and we have to split. But before that, what is AC? A is root 2 and C is 5 root 2. Then what is their product? So 5 into root 2, it will be root 4, which is equal to 5 into 2. Root 4 is 2, and hence 5 into 2 is 10. Okay, hope you understand it. Now what is factor of 10? 5 and 2. Okay, so here root 2x square plus 5x plus 2x plus 5 root 2 equal to 0. Next x into, now here in this first term we have taken x outside. So what will be in the bracket? Root 2x plus 5 plus root 2 into root 2x. Okay, root 2x plus 5 is equal to 0. What we have done? We have taken root 2 from this term here and written root 2x plus 5. I am again telling you that we can write 2 as root 2 into root 2. So when I am taking root 2 outside, here still one root 2 remains there. Okay. Then next is root 2 x plus 5. In next bracket it is already given x plus root 2 equal to 0. Then by using property, if the product of two numbers is 0, then at least one of them is 0. We get root 2x, we get root 2x plus 5 is equal to 0. See here, in this root 2x is outside of that square root. Then square root of 2x plus 5 equal to 0, or x plus root 2 equal to 0. Therefore value of x is equal to minus 5. See this plus 5 shifting to the right side of the equation, it becomes minus 5 upon root 2, or x is equal to minus root 2. Hence therefore minus 5 upon root 2 and minus root 2 are roots of the equation, or are the solutions of the given quadratic equation. Hope you have understand this practice set 2.2. Thank you.
Thank you for watching रामानुजन मैथ्स अकेडमी। चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करके बेल आइकॉन प्रेस कीजिए। लाइक, कमेंट एंड शेयर। जॉइन व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप 7030021604।